Today we're going to be doing second grade lesson 5 worksheet. So let's start off with number 1. Add the following numbers below. 15 plus 12. So first we have to add the ones place, which is 5 and 2. And 5 and 2 is 7. And then we look at the column to the left, which is the tens place, which is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 15 plus 12 would be 27. Okay, number 2. Add the number at the top of the table to each of the numbers in the left column to find the correct answer below. So basically, we have to add what it says here to here and here. Okay, so it says 11 here, and we're supposed to add 16. Actually, let's do it going up and down so it's easier. 11 plus 16. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that would be 27. And now we have to add 12 to 16. But we know that 12 is just one more than 11. So, and we got 27. So if we just add one more, then we would get 28. So 27, 28, that would be C. All right, moving on to number 3. Subtract the following numbers below. 17 minus 4 equals blank. So let's write it out like this. 17 minus 4. And we just have to subtract the ones place. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 minus nothing is just 1. We just bring down to 1, so that'd be 13, which is D. All right, next, we have to subtract again. 19 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 1 minus 1 is 0, but we don't have to write that, so that would be A. Okay, so for this problem, it's the same thing as this problem, except instead of adding, we're subtracting. So we have to subtract 6 from 16. 16 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And then you bring down to 1. That would be 10. 28 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. And you bring down to 2. That would be 22. So let's look at our answer choices for 10 and 22. That would be D. All right, next, fill in the missing numbers in the addition problem below. 7 plus blank equals 5 plus blank. So the numbers here represent the number of stars here. And we can confirm that by doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after counting the stars, we can see that they correlate to the number here. So there's 1, 2, 3 stars, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars on the right. So let's write that down. 3 and 5. And we can check our work by adding. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 5 plus 5 is also 10. So we know that's correct. 3, 5, that would be C. All right, next, add the following numbers below. 21 plus 17. 1 plus 7 would be 8. And then the tens place, 2 plus 1 would be 3. 38 is A. And this problem is another table adding problem. So we have to add 15 to 26 and 12. So let's do 15 plus 21 first. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 15 plus 21 is 36. And then let's do 15 plus 12. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So the two numbers that we have are 36 and 27. That would be the second one right here. Now moving on to filling in the missing number, where uh this diagram or this picture represents the number here. So we can see here that these two are the same and these two are the same. So let's count the number of rhombus's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the left side, and 1, 2, 3. 3 on the right side. And we can check our work by adding. So 6 plus 6 is 12, and 3 plus 9 is 12. So 6, 3, that would be C. Subtract the following numbers below. 25 minus 17. We can't subtract 5 and 7 because 5 is less than 7. So we have to take a 10 from the 2 here. So now the 20 would become 10, and the 5 would become a 15. So now we can subtract 15 minus 7, which is 8. And then 1 minus 1 is 0. So 8 corresponds with A. Next, subtract the numbers at the top of the table. Okay, so it's another table one. 26 subtracted 11. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 2 minus 1 is 1. That would be 15. 33 minus 11. 3 minus 1 is 2. And it's 3 minus 1 twice, so that would be 22. Add the following numbers below. 45 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11, but we can't just write 11 like this. We write 1, 1, and then for the tens, we carry it over to the 4. So that would be 4 plus 1 would be 5. 45 plus 6 is 51. And that's all we're going to do for today.